You see the world differently. You are drawn to the most interesting problems. You appreciate the beauty of simple, elegant solutions. How do you turn a great idea into a product? It all starts with a clear vision. Then, it's about rolling up your sleeves and doing the work. Smart, focused, and intentional. At Devomech Solutions, we're with you every step of the way, from product design, including concept development, industrial design, mechanical design, electronics design, and firmware development to mobile and desktop app development. We handle it all. Prototyping of a product to test its design, functionality, and feasibility. Our tests ensure products meet strict quality, performance, and compliance standards, verifying functionality and durability. Detailed documentation guarantees each product meets the highest standards. Additionally, we offer assistance with mass manufacturing in China, India, Malaysia, Mexico, the US, Europe, and Australia, along with shipping logistics. Why complicate the journey? With all services under one roof, we make the process seamless from start to finish. Our clients have successfully brought over hundreds of products to market with our help. Our cross-industry expertise in IoT design, development and manufacturing ensures we meet diverse client needs, while our global track record of over 200 projects in 25+ countries speaks for itself. Each project is executed with unwavering commitment, delivering products that exceed expectations and push boundaries. Devomech Solutions, where your ideas become reality, delivering services tailored to your unique needs.